with my friend Jacob.
Vamos!
Where are we going?
We're going to Malibu Rock Pool. In Malibu.
In Malibu?
Yes.
Okay, I've never been to that hike, even though I used to live right here, like a few miles away in Calabasas. And Jacob have been trying to get me to this spot, and finally,
It's going to be fun. Let's do it!
Jacob is gonna be my new traveling partner. He loves adventures as well as me, and we're meeting some other friends there, and I can't wait to show you guys. Well, it says Malibu Creek Pool. Let's see if there's some water because there's no rain in California.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
We are starting our beautiful hike. It is super hot outside and sunny, but I brought this so I don't get tan like yesterday. I got all the marks, and I brought my hat. And how long is this hike, Jacob?
2 hours and a half.
2 hours and a half until we get to the pool. We're gonna see the pool. Hopefully there's water, because every time I go to see a waterfall in Los Angeles, there's no water once I get to the fall. Let's continue exploring.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
This is the main entrance to the hike that we're gonna do today, and this is the entrance to the parking lot. However, if you park here, you have to pay like $15 to $20. So that's why we park all the way on the opposite side, because it's free. Just pay attention if you can park, because so many times it says no parking anytime, and then all the cars that are parked right there will get a ticket.
You were like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you, I don't know.
My friend Jacob just told me that you can also come here, so you can make a reservation, bring your tent, and camp. But I don't know if it's, I mean, it's always nice to be around nature, but it's better when you have, like, I don't know, like a river, a lake next to you, because actually it's really hot.
Feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string.
I see the first pool right here. I think they arrived very early to get that spot just for themselves. Beautiful. I can't wait to go to the big pool. Okay, let's go, because if we continue stopping, we're never going to get there. And my friends, they have to work today.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more.
Wow, my friends came prepared. They got music, water, nuts. I just got a banana and my energy. We make some new friends. Daddy always taking nice pictures.
El fotógrafo.
We are getting closer to the end of this hike. I can hear everyone jumping into the river. But obviously, if you want to continue further down, you can continue. And there is, my friend told me, this is my first time here, my friend told me that there are some all empty cars, because they used to shoot a lot here. I think they still do a lot of shooting here, but before it was like more. So, oh my God, it's just so hot, and we kind of like ran here because my friends have to go back to work. But, okay, let me show you the river, because everyone is down there. Okay, guys, we are going to explore all the way up there to the top. Okay, guys, I grew up in Cali, Colombia, and we used to do this every weekend. So hopefully, my memory is still there. Ah! I thought that was the top, but not. That's not the end. I left my sweater there. I hope nobody will take it. Oh wow, you're right. Be careful. And it's a beautiful Sunday with my friends, music, water, no food, no bikini, but who cares? We're still enjoying in this beautiful paradise and view. Chicos, ¿cómo la están pasando? Are you guys going to jump? Well, Jacob has done it in the past, but I don't know about Jay. Oh, he cannot do it.
No, I broke my knee.
He broke his knee. He's broke his timpano. I don't even know how to say that in English. How do you say timpano in English? Obviously, the best part of this hike is to jump in that cold water, but also the scenery here is just beautiful. And at the same time, you're working out. We are walking to the third pool, and Jacob said that it was just 10 minutes away, but we have been walking a lot more than 10 minutes. And this time we didn't stop, so it's not my fault. I'm in love with this third pool. It's so beautiful and it's very quiet here. There's less people on this one. So there's 3 pools so far. The first one, which was very, very small. The second one, where everyone was jumping from the big high rocks. And this one, just 10 minutes away from the second pool. And it's very peaceful. I don't see anybody in the water. Let's see if maybe my friends left me. Maybe over there. Oh, and the breeze is better. Oh no, my friend wants me to do this. Are you serious?
Yes, you can do it. Vamos, tú puedes. You see?
Are we breaking the rules right now? No.
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. Pay the $20-$25 for the parking spot right there inside the hike. You can totally park right here on the street. Just make sure it doesn't say do not park, because then you will get a ticket. So we park on the opposite side, but I think all those cars on that side, they have a ticket right now. Well guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I totally recommend it to come here to spend Saturday, Sunday, beautiful, beautiful place to enjoy with family and friends. Make sure to bring a lot of water if you come in the summertime. Bring your bikini so you can jump in this amazing water that I'm about to jump. I don't have a bikini because my friend told me it was gonna be dry, there was not gonna be water. There's a lot of water, so I can wait to jump in there. So guys, I hope you enjoy it. If you did, if you learned something new, if you think this video has any value, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and click the notification button so you don't miss any of my traveling adventures. I see you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao. So hot, so hot.